Captain Peter, Cutsey, South Korea, and this is my briefing room, part 2 of bird strike, severe damage, landing. Just to review what we covered in part 1, we have a PowerPoint on screen. Engine malfunction below 1,000 feet, fly the airplane, pilot flying. Any bell or fire warning lights, as applicable, would be canceled by the pilot monitoring, in this case, the first officer. Pilot flying use rudder pedal inputs. The autopilot's engaged. And to keep the control wheel level and the turn slip indicator aligned. Pilot flying, call for flaps 15. Pilot monitoring, select flaps 15. Pilot flying, set VREF plus 20 knots. This case, we're using flaps 40 as discussed because of the reduced runway length, reduced by 1,000 feet. And we also selected auto bake 3. And pilot flying, adjust thrust as required. So basically, this is all done close to the ground. We're using the scenario below 1,000 feet. For dynamic, I've popped the simulator for aircraft position back to 18.7 nautical miles DME IMUN. We had paused at 14 DME IMUN in the video number 1. Here we are at 16.3 DME. So just to speed things up, I will configure us to the planned landing config with flaps 40. And then once we're below 1,000 feet, we'll resume where we left off yesterday on the last video. So we are at 1,020 feet radio altitude. And I've frozen the simulator. When I activate the simulator, put it back into motion, we will experience the bird strike on engine number 2. And we will configure the way we talked about in this video. So we went through the procedure as briefed, called for flaps 15, set bug to VREF plus 20, done, and continued the approach. And here we are just coming up to minimums. The runway in sight, landing. Thanks for watching.